morning, students. I am Nagalakshmi. I am your science teacher. In previous video, what we discussed? In previous class, we started a lesson living and non-living things. So, what is the lesson name? Living and non-living things. In previous class, we started the lesson living and non-living things, and also we learned what is the definition of living things. So, what is the definition of living things? Students, did you read the definition? Yes, what is the definition of living things? Which things has life in them? That is called living things. And so, what are the main features of living things? So, what are the examples of living things? What are the examples of living things? Human beings. What are the examples of living things? Human beings. Plants and animals. These are the examples of living things. Human beings, plants and animals. These are the examples of living things. And what are the features of living things? What are the main features of living things? What are the features of living things? Living things can grow. Living things, first one, living things can grow. Next, living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. Next, living things can reproduce. Living things can reproduce. Next, living things can move. Living things can move. Next, living things feel changes. Feel changes. Next, sixth one, need food. Yes, living things need food. Yes, living things need food. All the living things to survive in this, So all living things to survive on the earth to need food. Sixth one, need food. These are the main features of living things. So all the living things have some features. So living things can grow. Living things can breathe. Next, living things can reproduce. Next, living things can move. Next, living things feel changes. Next, living things need food. So today I explain each and every feature briefly. Yes, first one, grow. What is the first feature? Grow. The first feature of this living thing is grow. So all the living things like human beings, plants things can grow. For example, what is this? What is this? This is seed. Here, all of you look at the board. This is seed. Yes, all of you look at here. And also look at the board. How this seed grows into a plant. Yes, how the seed grows into small plant and also then it grows into the tall tree. Yes. So each plant's life started from the seed. Here, look at here, students. Each plant's life started from the seed. Yes. So how the seed germinate into the plant? Yes. How the seed germinate into the plant or tree? Germination. Yes. When a seed is sown into moist soil to grow a plant. When a seed is sown. When a seed sown into moist soil, then it grows into plant. Yes, this process is called germination. This process is called germination. Here students, all of you look at the board. Each plant's life started from the seed. Yes, when a seed is sown into moist soil, yes, moist soil, then it grows into a plant. This process is called the germination. Here, next, the seed grows into a small plant. Here, all of you look at the board. The seed grows into a small plant. Next, this small plant grows into some big plant. Here, all of you look at here, some big plant. Next, this small plant. So when the plant grows into the soil, the conditions are very important. That is climatic conditions. Yes, that is weather, water, oxygen. So these weather conditions are very important when the plant grows into the soil. Then this small plant grows into the big plant. Next, it grows into the big plant. So here, all of you look at the students. The seed grows into that is germinate into the plants or big tree. Here, look at the board. The seed contain the seed contain a small baby plant. A seed contain a small baby plant. This is called embryo. This is called embryo. Yes, student, you understand? Yes, so this seed, the seed contain a small baby plant. This is called the embryo. Then, so this baby plant is grows into the small tree. Next, this small tree grows into the big tree. So this process is called the germination. Yes, students, do you understand? Yes, here I would like to tell you, living things can grow. All the living things like plants, human beings, animals can grow. Here, how the plants can grow. Here we look at the seed. So how the seed can grow into a plant. Yes. So once the seed. Yes. So when the seed sown into the moist soil, then it grows into the plant. This process is called the germination. Yes, the seed has a small baby plant. This is called the embryo. This is called embryo. Next, likewise, human beings. Human beings. Human beings. How the human beings can grow and what are the stages the human beings can grow. For example, first, what is the first stage of human being? Infant. I-N-F-A-N-T. Infant. Yes. Next, child. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Next, teenage. T-E-E-N-A-G-E. Teenage. Next, adult. Next, adult. Next, world. Yes. So how the human beings grows into these stages. First, infant. So in this infant stages, the child cannot stand, cannot move. Next, so what is the next stage? Child. Next, teenage, adult, world. So this is the human being can grow. These are the stages of human being. Infant, child, teenage, adult, world. Next, like animals. Animals. So like here animals like dog. So if we take dog. So what is the status of dog? Puppy. Yes. Next, dog. Puppy, dog. అంటే సో డాగ్ చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం పప్పీ అంటాం కదా. సో పప్పీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ గ్రోస్ ఇంటూ ద డాగ్. సో this is about the first feature of the living thing, that is grow. So here I would like to tell you students, so living things all the living things can grow. As students, do you understand? Here, so each plant's life started from the seed. So in this seed, there has a small baby plant. This is called the embryo. Then this baby plant grows into a small tree. Then the small tree grows into the big tree. As students, look at here. This small tree grows into a big tree. Yes, do you understand? Tomorrow your homework is read about living things can grow. Living things can grow.